This is a New York strip. It makes phenomenal steaks. You slice it up to the desired thickness and you grill it or you pan sear it. Amazing steaks. However, you can also roast this New York strip in its entirety and make a classic, elegant, delicious roast out of it. I have a wonderful Italian herb crusted recipe to share with you. I also enjoy using this meat thermometer while it's cooking. You set the desired temperature and then the alarm goes off. This part stays in the meat. Couldn't be any easier.